Welcome to another tasty adventure with me, my friend. Perfect.